EcoSend Forms are a powerful lead capture tool to display to visitors to your website. With EcoSend Forms, you can fill your database with qualified signups, then trigger automated follow-ups to nudge prospects along your marketing funnel from inquiry to conversion. In this example, we're building out a custom appointment request form. I want to capture custom property data with this form, so I'm going to add a select drop-down and add in my categories here. This means that when users populate the details in this form, it's associated to their profiles within the contacts area of EcoSend and can also be used to filter out smart groups. I also want to add an email opt-in option and make sure this is marked as required in order for users to submit the form. Now let's go to style the form and make it more in line with the branding and colour scheme on our website. All of EcoSend Forms update in real time without the need to touch any code. I've also ensured double opt-in is enabled to make sure that no spam submissions come through, only verified signups. I now just need to copy the code to my clipboard and head to my website to install the code. We have a series of tutorial videos for different website builders, such as Squarespace, in this example, Wix and WordPress. Head to the EcoSend YouTube channel and support playlist to find out more. In this Squarespace example, all we need to do is drag and drop the code builder and paste the EcoSend code to deploy the form. We can now hit save and head through to test our first submission. So I'll enter my email, which is the first requirement, then hit the drop down to select from the custom options. As you can see, I can't submit without confirming the email opt-in. Once I hit submit, I'll now receive a form verification email to verify that I'm a legitimate user and that this is my email address. Once that's done, my contact details will now be populated in EcoSend. You can also head to the contacts area where you'll find an automatic smart group with all submissions from the form. When we click into my individual profile, we can see that the custom property from my form is associated on my profile list. It's also created a new filter, which I can build out in order to segment my users into a smart group. Once you've created your first forms, you can also associate these forms to automations or broadcasts. Just like in this example, creating a lead magnet automation to send as soon as someone submits my lead magnet form. I simply select the lead magnet smart group as the criteria for entry for the automation and set it live. Forms can also be used to build audiences for sending out broadcasts, such as your weekly or monthly newsletter, and attach this to your newsletter sign-up group.